Woody's World from the top. Decided to pedal up and give you guys the view of the rest of top. So this trail is crazy fun, super fast. There's a little lookout right there for hikers to go to. Lost our sun, but it's fine. Then we're going to cross the path here, which is going to be the paper airplane turn. If you're going to the paper airplane trail, we already did paper airplane. And there's Bigfoot!
Hey, look, there's Bigfoot!
Yeah, buddy! That's my buddy Bigfoot, Josh. You've probably seen him in videos if you watch any of my stuff. He's a good dude. There is a couple switchbacks on this trail to keep an eye out for because they come out of nowhere. So always be looking far ahead. There's one that I almost always overshoot. There's Josh. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Yeah. Sometimes there can be hikers and stuff on this trail, so we'll be fast but conservative. We switched the instinct over to on the flip chip on the ride 4 to position 1. So we're sitting a little higher, a little more pedal friendly, seeing if it affects the downs. This probably won't be a very good trail to try it on because it's relatively smooth. There's either a blue or a green. I think a blue. I don't know. I could be wrong. One of those corners here. Yeah, that's the corners I was telling you about. They just sneak up on you. Hikers. Yeah, that's what I was saying. There can be some hikers on this. It is Saturday. Weekdays are better to ride this. I'll see like a big family group or something. Got one of those corners to come out and just sneak up on you. Man, it's been such a beautiful day to ride today. We're on paper airplane and some other stuff. Another 180 right here. Oh yeah. Yes. I love jumps. They're just awesome. Keep whacking. Yeah. Oh, awesome. Freaking awesome. Yeah. dirt, through and through. Do this as fast as you want, as long as you don't. You hikers, you're almost out the hitch up here, out on the road. Right up here.